Hey man, let me ask you something. Have you ever been talking to a girl where things seem to be going well, but something just feels off? She laughs at your jokes, responds to texts, maybe even hangs out with you, but she's not chasing you. She's not craving your attention or texting first, wondering what you're up to. That feeling, it's frustrating as hell. You know she likes you, but she's not obsessed with you. So, what's the missing piece? How do you go from being a guy she enjoys to a guy she can't stop thinking about? Here's the truth. When a woman is thinking about you constantly, she starts falling for you, whether she realizes it or not. But most guys kill that attraction without even knowing it. They make things too easy, too predictable, too safe. That's why she stops feeling excited. 1. Be an experience, not just a person. Women don't obsess over guys just because they're nice or good-looking. They obsess over how a guy makes them feel. If you're just another, "Hey, how's your day?" text, you're no different from every other guy in her DMs. You need to be more than a conversation. When she's with you, she should feel something real. Tease her playfully, challenge her opinions, make her laugh until her stomach hurts. Then drop a thought-provoking question that lingers in her mind. Be unpredictable. One moment you're joking. Around the next you're sharing a raw personal story. That emotional range gets her hooked. When you leave, she shouldn't just remember your words. She should replay how you made her feel. 2. Be less predictable. Predictability is the fastest way to lose her interest. If she always knows exactly what you'll say, when you'll text, how every interaction will go, she's not thinking about you when you're not around. Shake things up. If you always text goodnight, don't do it one night. Watch how she notices. If your dates are always the same, switch it up. Go for a spontaneous drive. Try an escape room or night swimming. 3. Be the man she can't figure out. The most interesting. People aren't those you can predict like clockwork. Women don't obsess over guys they can fully understand. If she can sum you up in one sentence, "He's just a nice guy," you're already fading into the background. Have layers. Show contradictions. If she sees you as the responsible guy, show a wild, spontaneous side. If she thinks you're the laid-back, funny guy, hit her with a deep, serious conversation. 4. Stop being the nice guy. I'm not telling you to be a jerk, but stop bending over backward to please her. If you never challenge her, if you make her comfort more important than your self-respect, she'll never see you as irresistible. Women don't think about guys who make things too easy. Have boundaries. Be willing to challenge her. Don't drop everything. Just because she wants to see you, value yourself first. 5. Create mystery. People think most about things when they don't have all the answers. The less she feels she knows you, the more space you take up in her mind. Don't be secretive, but be strategically vague. If she asks what you did last night, just say, "Had a great time. I'll tell you about it later." That one sentence plants a seed in her mind. Mix up your energy, sometimes playful, sometimes distant, sometimes deeply connected. Keep her guessing. Guys, which of these strategies hit home for you? Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you tried any of these? Share your experiences. I want to hear all about it.